How am I? I'm not happy. I'm so sad. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. How's the meal? The meal's delicious. How is the food? The food tastes amazing. How is John? John's doing fine, thanks. How's your wife? My wife is very well, thanks. Her neck is much better. How's your dad? He's doing fine, thanks. How is work? How's work? Work's very tiring at the moment. How's your new job? My new job is great. How's life? Life's not great at the moment. How's university? University is going great. Loving it. How's school? School is terrible. I'm being bullied. How tall are you? I'm 6 foot tall. How cold is it outside? It's freezing outside. How hot is it outside? It's roasting outside. How intelligent is he? He's very intelligent. How deep is Loch Ness? Loch Ness is 0.141 miles deep. How high is Mount Everest? Mount Everest is 5.498 miles in height. How big is your school? My school is very big. How large is the conference hall? The conference hall is very large. How wide is the river Danube? It is 1.5 kilometers in width. How expensive is a diamond ring? A diamond ring is very expensive. How's your leg? My leg's really sore. How's your shoulder? It still hurts. How's your arm? It's okay now. How rich are you? I'm very rich. How's the weather? It's sunny. How are the children? The children are doing great. How are your parents? They're doing fine, thanks. How far is it to the next petrol station? It is 7 miles to the next petrol station. How far is it to the Eiffel Tower? It's a 10-minute walk. How far is it from here to the next town? It is 5 miles to the next town. How far is it from here to the train station? It is 2 miles from here to the train station. How far is it to jump to the other side? It's a 5-meter jump. How far is it to the nearest bus stop? It is 10 minutes by foot to the nearest bus stop. How far is it to the supermarket from here? It is 500 meters from here. How far is it to the library? It takes 5 minutes by foot to get to the library. How far is it from Edinburgh to London? It is 332 miles from Edinburgh to London. How far is it from London to New York? It is 3,470 miles from London to New York. How far is it to the airport? The airport is 14 miles away. How far is it to your school from your house? My school is 3 miles away. It takes 10 minutes by bus. How far is it till we reach the top of the mountain? It is another 2,000 meters before we reach the top of the mountain. How far away is the beach? The beach is 5 miles away. How far away is the police station? The police station is 5 minutes by foot. How far away is the train station? The train station is just over there. How long is her hair? Her hair is very long. How long is the Golden Gate Bridge? The bridge is 2,703 meters in length. How long is a piece of string? How long is the queue? It's a long queue. How long is it till the lesson finishes? The lesson finishes in 15 minutes. How long is it from your school to your home? It is 10 minutes by car from my school to my home. How long is the sofa? The sofa is 2.4 meters long. How long is a football pitch? The average football pitch is between 90 and 120 meters. How long is the average human tongue? The average human tongue is about 10 centimeters long. How long is the movie? The movie lasts 90 minutes. How long is a football match? A football match lasts 90 minutes plus extra time. How long is the Great Wall of China? The Great Wall of China is 5,500 miles. How long is the flight from London to Paris? The flight time from London to Paris is 2 hours. How long is the train journey from Glasgow to London? The train time from Glasgow to London is 6 hours and 20 minutes. How long is your nose? My nose is 7 centimeters in length. How long is his neck? His neck is very long.
How long is his Christmas wish list? His Christmas wish list is very long.
How much is the bottle of water? The bottle of water is £1.
How much is the red jacket? The red jacket costs £70.
How much is my credit card bill? My credit card bill is £857. How much is that doggy in the window? The doggy costs £350. How much is the bill? The bill comes to $13.40. How much is your house worth? My house is worth £450,000. How much money is in the piggy bank? There is £80 in the piggy bank. How much is the shopping? The shopping comes to £45. How much is the steak? The steak costs £7.50. How much is the electricity for this month? The electricity bill comes to £200 for this month. How much is the skirt? It costs far too much money. How much is a ticket for the ride? It costs only £10 for a ride. How much is it to park here for 1 hour? It costs £1 for 1 hour. How much is this? This is £1.50. How much is that? That is 50 pence. How much are the tickets for the football match? The tickets are £30 per person. How much are the tickets for the cinema? The tickets cost £6.50 per person. How much are the tickets for the concert? The tickets cost £45 per person. How old am I? I'm 18 years old. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. How old is he? He's 10 years old. How old is your brother? My brother is 41 years old. How old is your dad? My dad is 68 years old. How old is she? She's 17 years old. How old is your mum? My mum is 45 years old. How old is your sister? My sister is 20 years old. How old is your gran? My gran is 90 years old. How old is the puppy? The puppy is 9 months old. How old is this tree? This tree is 300 years old. How old is the Eiffel Tower? The Eiffel Tower is 128 years old. How old are your parents? My dad is 34 years old and my mum 28 years old. How old are they? They're over 60 years old. How old are we? We're in our teens.